Hey, what's up? I'm Dom and welcome to my channel. A channel where we take a look at some of the coolest tech on the market, such as this unbreakable charging stand. Today, however, we're taking a look at this cool lantern by Ecolor. So this is what the box looks like. It's very basic, very simple, which I like to see. And what it does state is that it's got dimming, it's got warm to cool, and it's got 16 million colors to choose from, which is awesome. It's controlled via an app. You've got DIY scenes as well as music mode. So without further ado, let's have a look at what is inside of the box. Right, so it's very nice and simple to unbox. That's literally it. So one of the first things that you see inside of the box is the lamp. Now I have to admit, the lamp does have a nice soft feel to it, which is pretty awesome actually. Having a closer look, you've got a hole here for the straps. You've got what looks like a charging port. It's a micro USB charging port. Now they say that this is meant to be splash proof, so the charging port is behind this sort of cover. So the charging port is behind this cover. Right. Inside of the box, you also get one of these. Now I'd imagine this is a handle which would go through here, like the old style mobile phones used to. There you are. So that's what it would look like. Inside of the box you also have a micro USB charging cable and instructions on how to download the app. So let's turn this bad boy on. So according to the manual, you hold it to power on. And wow, that looks pretty awesome. I'm going to try and get it to focus on this a little bit. Already, this looks pretty neat. I hope the camera is picking up this beautiful color show that this light is providing us with. You tap this button once to change the color, and it's giving you these pretty awesome looking color schemes. I really like that. Oh, that red looks so pure. You double tap to change the brightness. And it will cycle through 30, 70 and 100%. Now to get even more control of this lamp, you simply download the app. So I'm going to do that now. Now to download the app, you simply scan the relevant QR code. So I'm using an iPhone, so I'm going to scan the iOS device one. Okay. Yes, I'm using Edge for the time being. Simply because I'm testing it. So the app you download is this app here. It's called Ecolor Life. Let me get that. And let's open it. The app does look pretty nicely designed, and you can also get this sort of similar sort of lamp in the shape of a moon, which looks to be perfect for kids. I'm going to have to allow it to use Bluetooth, and let's add a device. So it looks like you have to search for the device. I think it might be under desk lamp, or maybe not. Outdoor lamp, there we are. So it's under outdoor LED lights, portable LED lantern. Yeah. And I think it's as simple as that. Yeah, it is. So the setup was extremely easy, which is really good to see. I'm not sure if you can see that, but I'm using the app to change the color. I can choose a load of colors. It looks like I can also do a camera color. So yeah, allow to access camera. So say for example I want this yellow from my keyboard. I simply press apply, and it sort of tries to replicate it. The light here isn't the greatest, so it won't replicate it correctly. But you can also choose some awesome scenes. So right now it looks like a police car, which is pretty awesome. You can have a starry sky. That looks cool. Blue ocean, SOS, candlelight, dating, bonfire. And what's really cool is you can actually have it respond to your voice. So if I select music, I'm now speaking and that's reacting to it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do a music test. Overall, I'm exceptionally impressed with this lamp. Not only was the app extremely easy to set up, but the quality is amazing. Not only are the colors extremely vibrant, but they are also bright and decent. It certainly fills up a room. I'm now gonna test this lamp for around a week and give you my full opinion and experience. So I've been using the light for just around a week now, and I honestly do like it. I've only just actually had a chance to charge it. As you can see, it's nicely charging here. But yeah, I'm actually extremely impressed with the lamp. It's perfect for a desk setup. It's perfect for it's perfect to have as a desk lamp, a desk setup. If you're into RGB, it's perfect for taking out with you. What I really like about it is the fact that you can hang it up. And yeah, it's absolutely perfect accessory for camping, for storage spaces. So for example, if you don't have lighting up in the attic or the basement, or if you have a dingy sort of dark cupboard somewhere in the house and that doesn't have lighting, it's absolutely perfect for that. In terms of battery, I'm actually really impressed. I've been using it as my bedside lamp for around a week, and it hasn't died. It's only literally just died this morning when I wanted to put it on for the video. But there's loads of color modes available on this. There's absolutely millions of options. You can use it as a normal light. You don't have to have the cool RGB effect. You can have it as a normal light. The material feels really soft to the touch, and it's hopefully won't die when I unplug it. yeah, the material honestly feels soft to the touch. It's made out of some sort of cool sort of soft material. It was very cool to touch, very comfortable. But yeah, at the end of the day, you can use this for practically anything. You can use it as a setup lamp. There's not really that much to say about it. I'm turning it off now. But yeah, there's absolutely not much that can be said about it because it's brilliant. It's absolutely brilliant. And yeah, one of the best things I do like about it is its functionality. The app is really well built. It took me literally, after downloading the app, it took me seconds to connect to this, which that's how it should be. I have had Bluetooth devices in the past which have taken ages to connect properly, but this was just a few clicks, and that's it. That's literally it. It's all thanks to a well-built app, really. But anyway, that's it for this video. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more great content. If you are interested in a lamp like this, I'll leave the links down below in the description of this video.